Disclaimer. This is a disclaimer. If you are under the age of 18, please do not watch this video. This video is for adult viewers only. And I think Maddie has a pen. Maddie! Do not watch this video if you are under the age of 18 years old. And if you do, watch at your own risk. Bye. Good morning, guys. I'm so happy it's Friday, but my period's missing, so I have to go to the dollar store to go pick up you can wear that, to go pick up a pregnancy test, but I have no symptom whatsoever. None. I don't have any, so I don't know why my period is not showing up. And then my husband always freak out because Miss Janice was here. She's I will line out to you guys. She does not care. She does not care. And yeah, I think she likes to ruin my life. Loves to ruin my life. And if you guys don't know, she is the personality that shows up whenever it's time to be intimate. And she just don't care. Like, dude, this is your body too, you know. Anyways, what's Shay? That's her name from Kicking It with the Grinds. Shay. Hey Shay. She is so supportive. Like, I line out to you guys. She will support you even if you just have a second, just 2 seconds worth of video up, and she'll come and leave a whole paragraph in that 2 seconds. Me, on the other hand, I'm just like, I struggle to leave comments. I don't know, just thoughts and stuff just not come to me as fast as other people do. So I'll just be like, hey, I'm here, you know, just to let you know I'm here. But I struggle with comments. But yeah, that's what I'm supposed to be doing today. Take a pregnancy test. Why, Jesus? Why? Don't I look old? Am I not too old to be doing this? Like, seriously, I just bought a brand new vehicle and it seats exactly 5 children. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I'm pregnant. I don't know. I really don't know. I'd probably lose my mind. Do not go up them stairs, young lady. I'd probably lose my mind. I don't know. Really don't know. I better not be, because I'm going to kill someone. And it's my husband. It has to be my husband, because seriously, how hard it is to pull out. How hard it is to pull out. Like, seriously. I mean, let me stop because I have kids watching. Anyways, you know the routine. I'm getting ready to do lunch, so I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, so I use the Clue app to track my period. And where is that? So right here it says 32 days. My period is, my cycle is only 28 days, so I am technically 4 days late. So this is what, 32? Does that say 32? Yeah, it says 32, so I am 4 days late. Yeah, because my last period was on the 4th. My last period was on the 4th, so usually I would get it earlier, probably on the 2nd or something. So yeah, it was on the 4th. Today is the 5th. Hey, pretty girl.
Hello.
Can I see you for picture day?
Yes.
Isn't she adorable?
The teacher.
So precious. This is Mr. Handsome Jordan. What happened? Oh. He's all ready for picture day. You're so handsome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Jackson, I'm waiting on you. He's tying his shoe. Maddie, come here. Come stand right here.
She wasn't putting on her shirt. When I get home.
Can I see what you're wearing for picture day? Hey, are you ready for picture day? Yes.
Yeah.
And then we have Mr. Jason. Up close. Oh, look at that smile. Is that your smile?
Yes.
Yes. Come, let me see. And then here's Mr. Jackson. Is that your smile? Can you do a better smile than that?
Yes.
Say cheese. Why your face like that?
Because he does that. That's what I saw in his costume.
Yes, baby. I'm gonna go drop them off at school. We are here at the Dollar Tree. They're open until 8, so I have 2 more minutes to go. 2 more minutes. Come on. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Like, I feel like I'm gonna take the test and it's gonna be positive, and I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna break my camera. So, just getting in the house from the Dollar Tree. I got me some Q-tips because I don't know, for some reason cleaning my ears is like having a mini orgasm. So I got some Tums for my husband because he has really bad acid reflux or heartburn. So I got him some of those. I got Miss Destiny this Barbie detangler cotton candy. This thing smells like cotton candy. So if you have a little girl and they have really long hair that gets tangled up, the Dollar Tree smells really good. I got some VO5 Men 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash for my boys. So I got 2 of those because you know they're little men now. And what I went there for, pregnancy test. I can't believe I'm here again. I'm too old for this mess. So I'm gonna go take this, and I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this vlog. I'm thinking, but then again, whatever. I'm gonna throw it in here. So I'm gonna go take this, and then I'll be right back. Guys, I want to tell y'all something that happened at the dollar store. So I'm coming out the Dollar Tree, and there's this man that came out right behind me and Maddie. So I was like, oh my gosh, he looks like he's a kidnapper. So he walked around me and went to his white van. He had a white van. I was like, oh my gosh, it's a white van. You know how they say, you know, you stay away from white vans? So I'm putting Maddie in the car seat, and my eyes like cocked to the side, watching him, watching his every move. So I was excited when I got Maddie properly secure in her car seat. So I hopped in my car. I hopped in, I locked the door. I was like, yes, I'm safe. I am so stupid. I was like, yes, I'm safe. So I backed my car out, and as I'm backing, his little dolly that he had holding his van door open fell. It fell, and the door slammed shut, and I was like, oh my gosh, what if this man can't get out of this truck and I'm the only one that saw it, because there was no one else in the parking lot. And I was like, what if he's stuck in there for days and died? So I turned back around and I parked my car next to his truck, and I was like, maybe I should go knock on there to go see if he's okay or if he needs my help. But then I was like, did you just think that this man is a kidnapper? Maybe this is a goddamn trap to get your ass in that bed. I sped out so fast. I kept saying, sorry, I'm so sorry. I was like, is either me or you? Oh God, I'm sorry. is in that truck. I really need my help, but it's either me or him. I don't know. I just had to share that, I had to share that with you guys because it's so funny. It's so funny, the things that go through my head. And she just fell. Oh my gosh, I think the packaging is different. It's pink. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my Lord. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Even the test is pink. Cause I remember when I took it with Maddie, it was white. I don't remember it being this color. But I'm gonna go take this.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet.
Oh my God, let's do
why. I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not gonna lie.
Why, baby Jesus?
I know you can see it. What you got yourself
drop
into.
1 and 2. I don't even remember how to take a pregnancy test. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. Should I turn it over? I'm talking to you guys like you can't answer. Oh, my heart is beating. My heart is beating so fast. So fast. I don't know. I don't know. My heart is beating out of my chest. Like no other. Ugh. I can't see the test. I'm gonna let you guys look first. And then I'm gonna look. And then if I don't know why my period's not here. It could be stress. It could be the fact that it's just been a lot going on. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I just looked out, but I don't think I saw any line. Maybe it's just me. Oh God, Jesus. Baby Jesus. Please save me. Stay away from little boys, girls. Do not go near little boys. This is what happens when you let little boy stuff come near you. Oh my gosh. I can't look. I can't look. Oh, I think it's negative. I think it's negative, guys. I think it's negative. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think it's negative. Yeah, that's negative, right? Yeah, because if I miss my period, it would be brighter. Oh my gosh. Thank you, baby Jesus. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh gosh. Oh my Jesus. I am so, why is this thing not focusing? Yeah, I am so excited. Whew, Jesus, I just dodged a bullet. No more penises. No more penises. No. I'll be back. Now that I've composed myself, you know what I mean? It's time for shout outs. So, last video got 10 comments. I'm not gonna read the comments because I think it's a bit much. I might read one because I want to elaborate on that, but Maddie's TV sting me. So first shout out goes to Cameron Core. Thanks for always sharing. You're welcome, honey. Becca Hope. Hey Becca, she said I'm late again. It's okay, baby. Kicking in with the Grant. Shay, now I know your name. Shay. Hey Shay. I love me some Shay. Like I just love her. She's just Shay. She's very supportive. She's like, if that's one person that watches your YouTube video, girl, you know she's gonna comment like, love me some Shay. Kicking it with the Grant. Hey, I love when her kids sing it because it's like her youngest. He's not really saying anything, but he knows the whole, you know, how to. Anyway, for me. Anyway. Oh yeah. I was reading your comments yesterday when you were like, call me Janice if you're fancy. Yes, girl, you got it. You're like, I was like, I know if anybody's gonna figure it out, it's gonna be Shay. I was like, she's gonna figure it out, and lo and behold, you're dead. So yeah, Janice is bougie. She's bougie, she's a spender, she's impulsive, she's an she's just, and she loves men. No, she loves my husband. Well, she loves our husband. Well, she loves Marcelo. Jesus. I need to come down off of this high. I don't know where I get this from. But anyways. Okay. So, my hand hurts, so. Marilyn, love you so much. Love you too, girl. I think you're new. First time seeing your comment. I may be wrong. Michaela Vlog says, hi, can you tell Destiny that Michaela misses her and I am one of her best friends from her old school. Oh my gosh, hi Michaela. Oh, I will tell her. Oh. Got to love cupcakes. Love your videos. You're such a great mom. Oh, thank you so much. You guys think I'm a great mother. Oh, just keep bigging my head up. Brachil, I think that's what it said. Brachil. What's up, Brachil? I think it's Brachil. And there go my husband. What do you want, hubby?
What is that?
What is what?
I just texted you and you didn't answer back.
Cause I'm busy.
What does that mean?
That I'm busy and I will hit you back when I can.
No, what does that mean? What does that test mean?
What test? I sent you the pregnancy test.
Yeah, what is that? What does
it's
it mean?
negative. Jesus, you don't know how to read a pregnancy test after 5 kids?
No, I ain't no damn woman.
I didn't say you were a woman. I said I sent you the pregnancy test because you were asking me where my period was this morning, and I checked my app and I'm like, oh shoot, I'm 4 days late. So I was like, okay, let's take a pregnancy test. So I took it and I sent you the result.
Oh, okay.
What, it scared you? You thought I was pregnant?
Yeah, because he's just sending it and then say negative. I'm like, what the hell?
But I thought you knew how to read a pregnancy test.
No, I don't.
I was gonna say it's negative because I was like, knowing him, he probably think this is positive. I was like, way to mess up a man's life is to send him a pregnancy test with nothing.
What do you think is going on with your body that's late?
He's so, men are slow. I sent him the pregnancy test and he gonna call, what is that? No, he gonna text me. He said, what is that? Hello? Dude, it's a negative pregnancy test. Like, I was gonna put something behind it. I was gonna say, hey honey, it's negative. Or, you know, but then I was like, he's not stupid. He should be able to read a pregnancy test. But then, evidently, he doesn't know how to read a pregnancy test. Anyways, guys, I have a bunch of stuff that I have to do. So, I'm gonna go. This is gonna be it for the vlog. I think I have enough footage from this morning and everything else. So if you're new here, you never seen my face, I'm Janice. My other personalities are Janice and Jace. You'll never see them on camera because that's not something I do. So if you like my content and you love my face, subscribe. If not, then just keep it pushing. To my regular viewers, I love you guys so much. You guys always come through for me, you know. I'm so moved. I could cry. Okay, that's enough. So I will see you guys. Tomorrow's gonna be a grocery haul. Sunday, probably the video of Marcelo talking about my personalities, and then Monday I resume vlogs. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.